Hello everyone, welcome to Vaagdevi tutorials, and I'm starting a new YouTube channel, Vaagdevi tutorials. Please support me with your likes and subscriptions, and those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and share the videos. So today the first topic I'm going to discuss is the brief history of Java and a small topic of an advantage of Java. So Java has evolved by three software developers, James Gosling, Patrick Norton, and Mike Sheridan. So these three scientists initiated the Java programming language, and these three scientists are known as Green Team. They developed this Java at Sun Microsystems. The first name of Java is not Java. The first name of Java is OAK. The James Gosling wants his programming language name as a unique name. He thought of so many names, that Jolt, Silk, Revolutionary, DNA. He thought of so many names, but finally he named his programming language as Java. Why he named his programming language as Java means Java is an island at Indonesia, and at, in an island, the coffee named Java is available in that island, and he thought of this name as Java while he was drinking a coffee near his office. So, to suit all his advantages of his programming language, he thought of this name as to be named as Java. So, this is the brief history and why James Gosling had named this programming language as Java. So there are many advantages of this programming language. The first advantage we are discussing here is platform independency. So why the first language, programming language, is C++? So why we came to Java? There are some advantages and disadvantages regarding any programming language, but when you occur or when you come with any disadvantage of previous programming language, then we will come up with new programming language. In that way Java also evolved. So why this C++, and what disadvantage this C++ has to make the Java to be evolved? So let us discuss that here. Platform dependency. What is meant by platform dependency and what is meant by platform independency? Platform dependency is nothing but when you write a program, or when a software developer write a program in C or C++, by using some Unix operating system. So he or she wrote the software program in C, and he or she wants to compile that in the using a compiler which converts the high level language into machine level language, that is bits, zeros or ones, and he has to execute in that same operating system only. What is the problem in this platform dependency executing of a program means? When you write a program in C and when you compile at Unix operating system, then you can compile it and you can execute it. What the people or customers wants to access, if my computer operating system is Windows and another my customer computer software is Unix, then when you write a code in C using Unix operating, I wrote my code using Unix operating system and the customer has Windows operating system. So these two can't be compatible to each other. This is the platform dependency. To be more brief, when I wrote a program in Unix operating system and I compiled it and I executed it, those customers who install the Unix operating system only will be compiled my program, or they can only use my software. This is called platform dependency. Only the one operating system I use has to be used by all my customers. So this is not the way to make our product or make our software to be accessible to everyone. This is called as platform dependency, and this is the drawback of C and C++. Then we evolved to another programming language which was invented by James Gosling is Java, which is platform independent. Platform independent means here there is a bytecode. First of all, when in any programming language I wrote program and I need to compile it, so I give it to the compiler. Here you can see in the diagram from my computer it's getting into test.java. Test.java means we wrote the program in Java programming language, so it is saving with the extension dot extension as .java, and it gave to the Java compiler. So James Gosling has designed a separate compiler for Java programming language as Java compiler, which is also known as Java Virtual Machine, that's JVM. The JVM converts the given or written high level programming language into bytecode. So I told already in the case of C and C++, when I wrote the program in Unix programming language, in Unix operating system, then all my customers who wants to utilize my software has to be install this Unix operating system only. But this is not the case in the Java. When I wrote a high level language, that is a Java program, and give it to the Java compiler, then it generates a bytecode which converts this bytecode. So bytecode is also not a machine level code, so this bytecode converts into machine level language. This is not a high level language code and this is not a low level language code, it is a mediatory language code. So it converts into some bytecode. What is the use of this bytecode? When I used my software programming using Java and I installed my operating system is Unix operating system, so I need to install the JVM which supports the Unix operating system. Then I can give that my high level language program to my computer and then it gets executed. In the picture you can see that in Windows it is executing, in Linux it is executing, and in Mac it is executing. So whatever the operating system you installed in your computer, for that the separate JVMs is created. The JVM software is created by James Gosling with an intelligent future idea. So we can say that Java is a platform independent language. At any platform, at any operating system, you can use this bytecode, that means JVM. So for Windows operating, you are using Windows operating system, then you can install the JVM regarding the Windows operating system. Where you are using the Unix operating system, then you can install the JVM related to Unix operating system. Like that, when we use a Java program to develop any software, then regarding platform or operating system JVMs you can install and compile and you can execute the code. So in this way the Java has achieved the platform independency advantage. Thank you.